Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome to Mastering Cloud. And I'm going to start a new series of videos related to Kubernetes, which I'll call it as Mastering Kubernetes, where I will be talking about Kubernetes, installations, configuration, management of Kubernetes. The whole idea of this series is to help people, whoever is looking to expertise their skill on Kubernetes and showcase some experience when you apply for your jobs. So, the whole idea of this series is to help you clear the interviews related to Kubernetes, understand the purpose of Kubernetes and how the Kubernetes is being implemented in the real time infrastructures, and how and what are the different ways to achieve different things in Kubernetes. Okay. So I will be working primarily on EKS, but that's just a mode that I choose to use it here because most of the production environments are running on EKS. But the concepts that I am going to explain will be applied across the platforms. Wherever you have the Kubernetes, the concepts will still remain the same. Okay. So hopefully this series will help you in achieving your goals in terms of learning the Kubernetes. So all I'm looking from this series is that hopefully I will be able to share my knowledge and help you in terms of learning a new skill. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started.